Greetings to all. Let's continue our lesson in civics. Lesson number 2, diversity and discrimination. And the topic which we are going to start today is prejudice. We generally feel that villagers are dirty, ill-fed and ill-clothed, narrow-minded and superstitious. But at the same time, we think they are simple and honest. On the other hand, people living in towns are generally believed to be well fed, well dressed, educated, and liberal in attitude and behavior, but money minded and not so straightforward. When our opinions about certain people are always negative, these become prejudices that we carry about them. Prejudice is a preconceived notion that is not based on reason or actual experience. When we feel that a particular way or method is the best and the most appropriate way to do things, we are likely to disrespect others who act or behave differently. For example, we can be prejudiced against a person, a community, a religion, a caste, or a region. We generally feel that people who speak fluent English are superior to those speaking in vernacular languages. Vernacular means the language or dialect spoken by the ordinary people in a particular country or region. Thus, we have a prejudice against people speaking in their mother tongues. Our constitution does not favor this, nor our ethics and morals allow this. Beside complexion and language, there are many other things about which we can form a negative opinion. The clothes people wear, their religious beliefs, their food, the region they belong to, etc. We ought to see a person purely on individual basis. Being free from any kind of prejudice is healthy for all. Prejudice leads to discrimination and disunity. For this, read topic prejudice from page number C8 from your book. That's all for today. Thank you.